Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day here for the price. The majority of it came during the first 30 minutes, though. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, so that candle is the opening 30-minute portion of the day. You can see that's where the volume was the biggest, and the majority of the price action happened, and then the price did pull back, which does introduce some perspective into the chart. What do I mean by that? Well, if you went into this with the day trading perspective and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 12.25 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. If you went into this caring about the big picture of things, then sure, even with the pullback, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base, and higher bases over time is how those long-term uptrends are built. I'm going to be talking about things from the big picture perspective, so if I'm talking about something and you think I sound crazy, my guess would be you probably went into it with a different strategy or a different perspective. So let's talk about some levels of support. First level of support, and what I would call the ideal level, is right here at about $2.55. You can see the bulls did a good job of essentially consolidating the price right there during the late afternoon hours. And if that continues to happen going forward, that's going to be best for, like I said, the majority of, the story that is. I mean, that's going to be the best symbol for the bulls and their strength. Now, if the price does fall below there, taking a step back, looking at big picture, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move like that. And I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because it's essentially a trend line that's going to draw itself for you. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do over time in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, over time, the price itself needs to keep on increasing. And that, by definition, is what bullish moves do, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So purple line, for those of you that care about big picture of things, as long as the price is above there, bulls are in full control. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, initial area with any sort of bounce, I'm going to call it right up there at $3, and then after $3, next key level at $3.70. So $3.70, next couple areas of resistance. At this point in time, though, in my opinion, top priority, not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is building higher lows. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.